Okay, so start.
Sir, what is it? What's it about, sir?
Well, the press conference now is telling everyone that we have declared state of calamity because of our power disruptions and power challenges here in our island. So that's why we wanted everyone to the public to know, especially our skilled ones, to know that it's gone too far. Sobra na ang challenges ng island. But we have blackouts siguro close to a month already. So grabe na big tayo ang services nila sa Kumaina. For everyone to know, ang atuang power generation is not provincial. It's not a province owned. No? So it's a third party owned. Any questions from?
Na-declared ng state of calamity ko?
Yes, we declared a state of calamity and then last week pa, and then the session pag Monday. So hopefully the resolution will come out within the day. So alam mo mas decision for the whole body, from the whole body.